Meow, meow, meow. So let's draw this paw. This is often, especially for beginners, a fairly difficult perspective. So I thought it would be kind of a fun one to draw. So I'm just kind of getting that round shape first and thinking about where I want to go next. And just getting that line for where some of the pads begin. The toe beans. Just getting a feeling everything out here. Some guiding lines. That first toe bean in there. I love toe beans. They're so cute. So just a gentle suggestion of it to start with, and lining them up the way they are lined up. It's all part of making it look convincing. But of course not worrying about perfection. I've moved away from total photorealism, and I just find it so freeing to just get the character in there instead. These lines kind of help me get things in the right place, and you find your own way. You know, I'm mostly self-taught. I have done some workshops with other artists, but most of the time I've found my way just by experimenting, and that's what you need to do too. I hope that I give you some guidance and make your journey a little easier, but I don't want you to be a carbon copy of me either. Just, you know, take what works for you from what I teach you, take what works for you and make it your own, and add your own little twist too. And never forget, it doesn't have to be perfect. There are no rules. And if you're looking for a great cat drawing community, we'd love it if you joined our cat drawing art workshop on Facebook. You will find the link for that in the video description below, and some other handy links to some other cat drawing resources. I just love paws, and I find that for me a drawing is not quite complete if I don't get to draw at least one paw. That's why I don't often do just cat faces and heads, but I do some of them too. Paws have so much character. Now I'm kind of thickening up the lines that I do like. And for this drawing, I'm probably doing a little bit more detail than I would when I add a paw to a drawing. I'm fussing over it a little bit more, mostly because it's a learning sketch, which every sketch is really. Yeah, because I don't usually just draw a paw, one paw close up, and that's it. So this is a paw study. And there's just a suggestion of where it ends, or where the leg starts, I guess. Darken up some of these to help those toe beans stand out. Oh yes, and don't forget to subscribe and help build our community. We would love to have you as part of our cat drawing community. So subscribe to Crazy Cat Artist on YouTube. I like those little lines. Don't forget that, you add a lot of character to a drawing by varying the thickness of your lines. And to leave some spots where the lines are almost not visible, because that just shows where the light is hitting it. Just play and have fun more than anything. That's what it's about. Yeah, maybe going a little bit too far here, but it's experimentation. A suggestion of fur where the toes separate. All I ever really tend to draw when it comes to fur is a suggestion of fur, because we know it's a cat. I'm liking it. So yes, please do subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. There's lots more videos in the plans, so we'll see you next time.